everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna do a review, mascara review. Oh my god, I didn't do a mascara review for a really long time. So let's get into it. It's for this beautiful mascara from Oriflame. It's the One Bomb and Plump mascara. I got this from a while and I used it a couple of times, and this video is a review about it, so let's get into it. So as usual, the first thing about doing mascara review for me, I'm doing talking about the packaging. So the packaging, as you can see, it's very plain. It's just there's nothing fancy about it. It's kind of bulky, not too skinny, not too bulky, but in the middle, and have this orange color, so vibrant and so catchy. And the writing, the Bomb and Plump in hot pink or fuchsia color, which mixes really well with this bright orange color, makes it so girly and so elegant. So it's still plain, but it's still the writing makes it so beautiful. So somehow I love the packaging. Next thing is the brush, of course. So I'm gonna open it up, and as you can see, the brush is this very a one size thing. But if I zoom in a bit, I'm gonna zoom in right now, just so you can see. You see this, the brushes here, in the lower part is a little bit longer than the tip of it. So, but still, it's one size wand. It's not bulky or having any kind of a curve in the brush itself. But the bristles is a little bit longer on the lower part than the upper part, and it's a silicone one. So I love silicone brushes, but it's not that flexible actually. The bristle is silicone, but the wand itself, it's not flexible, but it's really soft on my lashes. The bad thing about this one is the brush is a little bit longer. It's not big, but it's longer. So this width here, it's very big for my eye because I have kind of a small eye and have a really long lashes curled backwards. So this one is really, as you can see, covered my eye completely. So sometimes I get smudges, but because of the bristles is not too long and flexible, doesn't have a lot of smudges comparing to other mascara, which is good. So it's kind of big, but it still works very perfectly for my eye type. The mascara itself is very black and very smooth. The material is very soft and glides really nicely over my lashes and helps to cover the lashes, makes this beautiful. And as you can see, I have 2 coats on my eyes right now for this makeup look. It will be on the channel, and of course it will be in the card description box down below if you want to go and check it out. It's kind of a therapy session makeup thing. So yeah. And as you can see, it's so nice. Give with 2 coats. If you have a long lashes like mine, give you this false lashes effect, as you have false lashes on. So it's very beautiful and very nice. It glides very smoothly, having these 2 coats over each other. But at the end, when it begins to dry a little bit, when you're applying the second coat, sometimes it just have a little small clumps, but you can brush it very easily after it's completely dry. So yeah, it's very nice. I really love the material. It's so black and so nice. And even if you have some clumps at the end when applying 2 coats, you can brush it really easily without taking a lot of mascara off your lashes. So it's perfect. Now I'm gonna leave you with the coats that I applied. As usual, I show you in every single video. One eye have no mascara on, and the other eye have 1 coat and 2 coats, comparing to my bare eye, so you can see the effect of each mascara and each coat. So I'm gonna leave you now to see the coats and coming back. For the smudging, it doesn't smudge during the day. I wear it for a couple of hours, not the whole day, but about 4 or 5 hours, and didn't smudge at all. And it's really nice, and it doesn't have giving any smudges underneath my eyes during these couple of hours that I'm wearing this mascara on. So no smudges for me. And it doesn't give under eyes. It really I can remove it very nicely. it does give you this kind of a very dark line when you wash your like lashes without like a makeup remover or clean sponge. And I wash my lashes twice to remove all the mascara from my lashes. But with a makeup remover or clean sponge, it really does clean it up very nicely without having any band eyes, which is great. Despite this, it's really black one. It doesn't give me any band eyes, which is perfect. So overall, this mascara is one of my favorite at the moment. Really love it. I really love it. It's like one of my first. I have multiple firsts, but this one jumped to my first. I have the Maybelline Sky High and another L'Oreal one. This, I can't remember the name. I have a video for it, like a mascara review for it. It's my first best mascara I have ever tried. I'm gonna link the playlist of the mascara reviews in the card description box down below if you want to go and check the other mascara reviews. But these two is my first makeup or my first mascaras that I really love, the Maybelline and the L'Oreal, and this one just become the third one in my first grade or my first thing. It's my first one, like just like one of the three and the first, what is it called, degree stage, anyway, you know what I mean. So yeah, it's really nice, really nice, and it's really amazing. And this is it for this video. I really hope you like it, and wrap it off, like wrap it on in like a very quick thing. The packaging, I give a thumb up. I really love the color in this thing, and for the brush, really like it, so I give it a thumb up. The material, the mascara itself, I give it a thumb up. It's really nice. The smudging, no smudging, thumb up. The bend the eyes, clean up really easily. No bend the eyes, thumb up, and like everything is perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna this is one of my best, as I said, and yeah, I really hope you like this video. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much, guys. Bye.